Okay, so Pew, who drops the spoilers on Twitter, added more about Emu's description. Emu settles at the top of Roost Castle. He emits a strong force of conqueror's hockey. Some of the house and trees around Elbath start to come alive, laughing with evil faces. What the fuck? It's giving Big Mom's fruit low key. Just a little bit like, what the fuck? This is oh my god. So this is the introduction, the reintroduction to Emu. Emu appears to be male with handsome features, black clouds surround him. Bro, is he gonna look like a Lunarian version of Luffy? What if he looks like fucking Luffy? Oh my god.